Google Chrome is a popular browser worldwide. However, privacy-focused users may need to tweak the default settings. Remember, these steps boost privacy but don't make you invisible online. First, you can disable automatic sign-in. It signs you into Chrome when you log into a Google service. Next, you can turn off sync. This prevents your data from being stored on Google servers. Also, consider disabling search prediction services. This stops Chrome from sending your search bar text to Google before you hit enter. Chrome allows websites to track your location by default. If you'd like more privacy, disable location tracking. Control cookies by choosing to block third-party ones, typically used for advertising. Disable website notifications to prevent potential misuse by some sites tricking users into revealing sensitive info. Using incognito mode also helps by not saving browsing history, cookies, and site data after a session. But remember, your activity may still be visible to the websites you visit, your employer, school, or ISP. Lastly, regularly update Chrome to protect yourself from security vulnerabilities. To achieve complete anonymity, consider using a VPN, privacy-focused browsers like Tor, or other privacy tools. Remember, while these settings increase privacy, they might interfere with some website functionalities. Striking a balance between convenience and privacy is key. Stay informed about your digital footprint and stay safe online.